What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. You know, let me know what you think of all the videos, start some conversations. Likes and comments are always useful. Subscribe, you know. Let's just get straight into this one. So I've got a lot of G-Star stuff. I've never really reviewed too much of it, but I've started to now because I've, picked up a lot more stuff. Really do love the company, what they do. Let's get straight into this pair of jeans. So the jeans are known as G-Star D Staq 3D. And the reason behind that is because of like the way they drop. So they're kind of like a stacked fitting. So it shows just kind of a breakdown of the jeans. So it says lowered jean pockets, so they are lower than normal jeans. Traditional chino pockets, traditional jean pocket, lowered chino pocket, inserted shaping materials, and 3D shaping dart. So what that just shows is like this is the chino pocket type of thing. This is the jean pocket. And then, chinos always have that one button on the back, and that's the jean pocket, so it's got both. I've never used the upper pocket. I just think they're there for style purposes, to be honest. And then we can go on the inside and have a look at that. So G-Star Raw. One thing about these jeans, they do also have like a button on the side. So they have traditional jean pockets, but they have like a button on the side. I've never used those again. Never used on both sides. What I love about these jeans is the quality. They are very top quality, and then it even says inside premium quality or premium Italian fabric for G-Star Raw. One thing is I did get a size bigger. Because I get them tailored exactly to how I like them. Well, not exactly to how I like them, just I like the legs a bit different. Wearing them straight out is fine as well, but sometimes the sizing's a bit funny for me. So I definitely do get the legs kind of tailored a little bit more to the way I like, so they drop a bit different. More fitted instead of like the loose bunchy. It's like a fitted bunch. I'll definitely need to make another video to show everyone that like before and after. It doesn't make too much of a difference, but it does to me because like it's a 34 leg, so it will be a bit longer, but when I get them tailored a bit more, it's not as long because it punches up more. Amazing. But yeah, very nice colorway. I don't really have the most to say about these jeans. I just really do like that kind of washed black, dark grey colorway. Very nice colorway, if I'm honest. I think this is my like favorite color of jeans, like that washed black type of dark grey color. I don't really like blue jeans as much, unless it's like a dark blue or a navy. But definitely this colorway, amazing. 10/10 for me. You can wear these with white trainers, black trainers, different types of trainers. Black hoodies, white hoodies. I don't really tend to mix too many colors with jeans. I'm a bit more grown now, so it's a bit more subtle swag for me. But yeah, just a quick video for everyone, just to kind of show you what the jeans look like. I definitely need to start making these videos with like what they look like worn, so everyone can have like a closer look, kind of see a bit more what they look like, how they drop, how they fit. But yeah, just a quick one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more of these. Let me know if you have any special requests. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other videos. There's so much content up there. And yeah, take care, my people.